You have to start somewhere, because if you delay it, we wait for that big bonus, guess what? It will never happen. And sino sa inyo na when you got more money, you actually thought na doon na ako mag-save, doon na ako mag-i-invest, pero nung na-promote kayo, hindi nyo rin naman nagawa eh. I want to share to you that it can be done, that saving and investing and preparing for whatever goals that you have is achievable, is possible, that you can actually do it. Hey guys, so Yvonne's over there. She's giving birth any moment now, and they're gonna call me any moment now. Maybe while I'm here, allow me to share insights on what I did to be able to save also and prepare for babies and all of these things. So I want to start off with this, that having a baby is something that we can prepare for. And when you hear a lot of ideologies about personal finance, people will always say that you save money for your wife's pregnancy, you save money for high school, you save money for college, you save money for all of those milestones. But I always say this, that preparation time is never wasted time. The sooner and earlier you prepare for milestones like this, it will happen. This could be a challenge for all of you guys if you are in your 20s or in your 30s, or if you're still single and you don't have a girlfriend yet, you're not even married yet. If you know in your heart that you want to have a baby, you want to have kids, prepare as early as now. I just want to share this, that single pa lang ako noon, wala pa akong girlfriend, kaka-graduate ko pa lang ng college. I was already preparing for times like this eh. And you have to realize this, that if you're in your 20s, earlier you start, the better it will be for you. And it's so tempting that when you're young, na I don't want to think about my future, I don't want to save, I don't want to invest, I want to enjoy life now. Guess what? Life creeps up very, very fast. And for all you know, you get engaged and you have a whole new set of priorities. For all you know, you get married and you have another set of priorities, another set of bills, another set of expenses, a lot of things that you need to spend on. Then your wife gets pregnant, another set of bills to spend on also. The bills for the hospital, the medicine, the vaccines, the things the baby needs to take while they're very young. And then they get to go to school. And as they get to go to school also, it gets more expensive also along the way. How do you make things better? By preparing. By doing the boring things that a lot of people don't want to do. I always talk about invest the prime years of your life. Think about financial freedom. Think about retirement. But not just that eh. Think about other money goals that you actually have. The things that you want to do. And the way you do it is by planning, starting as early as now, and putting little by little by little by little by little. Because people always have this notion that I need to become very rich to be able to hit all of my goals. I need to have a lot of money for me to be able to do this. Guess what? It's never about that eh. If you're faithful with little, if you're faithful with small amounts of money, if you set aside certain amounts on a monthly basis for different goals in your life, I know it feels na parang, ano magagawa nito? Ang liit na ng sweldo ko, hahati-hatiin ko pa. It becomes a template that when more money comes your way, you know what to do. It's a template that when you get a bonus, you know how to allocate it properly. It's a template that when you get more, hindi pupunta lahat sa luho ng pera. Please do notice, hindi masama mag-enjoy, hindi masama magkaroon ng luho sa buhay. But if it's not balanced, if you don't take care of your goals now, and naubos lang siya sa mga bagay na hindi masyado importante, doon siya sayang. Okay mag-enjoy pag may nalalaan ka para sa kinabukasan mo, may nalalaan ka sa ibang mong mga goals also sa buhay. So, start planning, start saving, and kung 30 ka ngayon, 40 ka ngayon, and you may say na, paano yun? It's late for me. It's easy for you to say that, Marvin, because you started in your 20s. You don't need to be great to start, but you need to start to be great. You have to start somewhere. You have to start somewhere, because if you delay it, we wait for that big bonus, guess what? It will never happen. And sino sa inyo na when you got more money, you actually thought na doon na ako mag-save, doon na ako mag-i-invest, pero nung na-promote kayo, hindi nyo rin naman nagawa eh. I want to share to you that it can be done, that saving and investing and preparing for whatever goals that you have is achievable, is possible, that you can actually do it regardless of where you are in life, regardless of kung ano yung salary mo. And yun lang gusto ko share. Ayan, my wife is, they're gonna call me in a bit, and my wife is gonna give birth. It's an exciting feeling, something that we've been looking forward to also for quite some time. But you have to remember this, that everything that you do, there's costs attached to it. Everything that you either need or want in life, you need savings to be able to fulfill that. And whatever goal it may be, whatever target it may be, start saving, start allocating. I'm gonna start teaching financial education to my little baby at a very young age. I'm gonna make it super cool. That it's gonna be super interesting. You have to remember that yung pag-invest, pag-budget, hindi ko masyado pinag-usapan kasi boring. I'm gonna make it in a way that madali siya maintindihan ng baby ko, magugustuhan siya, and aside sa magugustuhan siya, it's something that baby can actually implement and do as well. I want baby to actually do better than me. Whatever I would do or accomplish, baby would surpass it. Baby would do bigger and greater things than me. So guys, I'm mumbling guys, no? Kasi ganun din naman eh, when your wife is there about to give birth also, you're there. And I just want to update you that yun, I know I posted April na mga na she's pregnant, but she was almost due na at that time and she was already in her last trimester. This is a few hours before she gives birth and she's there. I'm just actually waiting for me to be called, and while I'm waiting for me to be called, I just wanted to add value to you guys. So siguro to put this to a close, may mga goals tayo sa buhay, lahat yun kailangan ng pera. So set aside the time, set aside the energy, set aside whatever you have to be able to save, to be able to invest, to be able to reach for whatever financial goals you have, to be able to push, to be able to do things that you've never done before. At hindi mo kailangan mag-jackpot, hindi mo rin kailangan bilhin yung pinakamagandang crypto or pinakamagandang stock or pinakamagandang negosyo or pinakamagandang franchise. Because if you're faithful with little and you do it disciplined over a long period of time, you're gonna be okay. Save, set your goals, be disciplined, and be diligent about it. Because hustle, patience, and playing the long game always wins. Having a baby is something that we've prayed for a long time, we've planned for a long time, but in the same way, from a financial perspective, I was also planning for a very, very long time. And it's applicable to every aspect of your finances. Lahat ng pwede nyo gawin sa finances nyo, na pagplaplanuhan yun, lahat ng pwede nyo gawin sa finances nyo, na pag-iipunan. And there's no target, there's no goal that's too big if you start now. If you spend the time to become bigger, better, and stronger right now. So I hope you got this. I hope this was something that helped you. I hope this is something that gave you value. Gonna go there. Let's see what's gonna happen soon. I'm gonna update you also about the baby. And yun, wish me luck or pray for me. This is marvingermo in the hospital, waiting for my wife. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon. God bless you all. Your heartbeat before you come out. What's gonna happen?
Lawannya